Question 16. If the pattern shown is continued, what number will appear directly below 400? Let's draw this out. It's one of these questions that is, once you've been shown it, it actually seems so straightforward, but wrapping your head around how to start it takes effort. So when you look at this, if you're looking for a pattern, you can see that there's a pattern of numbers here. Have you spotted what it is? 1, 4, 9, 16. Next one is going to be 25. This is squared numbers. If we are looking at one of the numbers that we're looking at, if we're looking at 400, so we're looking at the next square number that sits with the numbers we've got. So the options that we've got are A, B, C, D, and E. A is 438, 439, 440, 441, and 442. So we know that we are looking at a square number that's somewhere close to these. Now I know that 20 squared is 400. So we're going to look at the 20th row. This is 1 squared. Second row is 2 squared. Third row is 3 squared. This is the 4th row. So 20 squared is 400. Now this doesn't sit that close to these. So let's have a look at 21 squared. Lots of different ways of doing this. For me, the option that requires my brain the least is actually this lattice method. It looks a bit strange, but once you get into it, it's actually really straightforward, because all I have to do is 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1 times 1 is 1, yeah, 2 times 1 is 2, and I just add along these diagonals, 4, 4. So the answer to this one is 4, 4, 1. I'm sure you've got other ways of doing this. This I just default to it because it doesn't matter whether they're simple numbers, whether I subtract to get 1. Any student that I work with can use this to multiply 2 digits together. I don't have to think about which is the best method to use. It's also generally very accurate. So 441 is going to end a row. So at the end of a row, we're going to see 441. Therefore, along here will be 440 here. What are we looking for? We're looking for which number will appear directly below 400. So this is 441 at the end of a row. We know 400 will be the end of a row. So therefore, this is the answer. The answer is 440. We found the end of row 20. We found the end of row 21. 440, 441. Counting 1 backwards will mean that it would be directly below the last number in row 20, which, because they're sequential numbers, we're looking at 440. 440 is C.